So as you see over here, I have a 2006 Toyota Tundra, and as you see, my handle's broken over here, and I'll be changing this. So the video will be about how to take it off. So we open the door, and we have to remove this door panel. So the first thing you do is you pop out these plastics, one over there, and there's a screw in there you have to take out. Right over there inside, you'll see. And also over here, there's plastic. You pop it out, and there's screws, 3 screws you have to unscrew. So as you see, I got those screws. After this, you can, I use a flathead screwdriver. And now you have to get it, and you have to pry this from the door. There's clips inside there, so you have to pry it. So and pretty much the clips go from top over here, bottom, and on this side. On top, there should be no clips here. It slides up. There's also this on the side of the door. There's a little clip here. You have to the middle part to press inside, and then this should be able to come out. And there's also, looks like there's one on top. You press the inside. Let me see. Yep, as you see, go inside, and then you should be able to take it out. So as you see, I pried it. Now it opens, and this plastic right here has to come out. It has to come out before we lift this, because I think it's in the way. So as you see, this is coming out. Over here, I had to, with the flathead screwdriver, kind of just get inside and pry it out. And this piece right here was inside of here, which I had to kind of pick it up so that it would come out from here. So it come out from that piece. And there we go, ready to take off the door panel. And it's pretty easy. And then on the inside, there's some wiring which you have to unhook. There's one on the bottom and one over here. So as you see, I got the panel off. You kind of have to feel under there, because you can't really see. You have to feel for this right here and press it down, and it should come out. And once you get this one, then this one should be pretty easy to get also. So now next is, in order to get to unscrew the door handle, this plastic, you have to peel it back. And then over there should be size 10 bolts that we have to unscrew. And there's one. And then right here, this piece we have to take out. Piece of rubber. And then inside there, you can see the other bolt. So I'm not quite sure why the light is playing like that, but you see there's one bolt right there that I already unscrewed, and to the top of it right there by the yellow thing is another bolt. So there's 2 bolts that we have to unscrew through this hole, and that one I already got out. In order to get that other second bolt, which is kind of harder because this right here is in the way, so what we can do is, what I did is I just pulled it down. I pulled it down, so then you can reach the other bolt, and I just did it. And as you see here, this is coming out. You got that key right there, which I'm gonna save. So over here, this was inside there, and this yellow tab right here, it was wrapped around this metal piece. So what you have to do is get that little metal tab and just open it so it's not wrapped around this metal thing, and then just you pull it, and just it should be able to pop out. And there you go. So I was just trying to screw the bolt in from the other side, and I was having a hard time. I couldn't understand why it was not working until I found out that
Make sure that this piece, when you'll be putting it back together, it goes inside over here. It goes inside over here. Mine was on top, and so that's why I couldn't get this bolt. So make sure that you slide this inside here. All right. So when you'll be ready to put the panel back, make sure that all these clips, because there's some clips that might get stuck in these holes, so then I had to take them out and place them through here. So just make sure that all the clips are on the panel and not on the door, so you can put it back on.